Hello guys, what is going on? Techroomuk here. So for today's video we have yet another gaming mouse. This is the S9 gaming mouse from a company called EWEADN. I think we have a red color if I'm not mistaken. It's an ultra lightweight mouse. I think it's under 50 grams and it looks absolutely gorgeous. This is the box for it. I really like the gold accents. Basically this is how the mouse looks like. It's like an outline of the mouse. It's really clever. On the side of the box right here we have the company branding, we have their name, and on the back we have some manufacturer's data, and it says Lightstyle Gaming Mouse. So I'm just gonna go ahead and unbox it and I'm gonna show you guys what you get inside. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Alright, so after opening the box, this is pretty much what we get. We have a user guide, which basically it's for S9 Pro, S9 Max and S9 Ultra. If you don't know what model you got, which I don't, I think I have the Ultra, then you won't know what to look for. I would suggest to the manufacturer to make a user guide for each one individually. It will look more professional, it will be more handy to the day-to-day user. But yeah, basically it shows you how to connect it. The first instructions are in Chinese, which I don't think it's really appealing for the Western masses, but if you flip some pages, you're gonna see English instruction in German and a few other languages. They also have a QR code right here on the back, so you guys can scan this and it will take you to the user manual on the web. So maybe that will be more handy for you. They also included some spare skates and some grip tapes, which is nice to see. Not a lot of mouse manufacturers do that. So basically, if you don't like the classic look of the mouse, you can add some grip tape. It depends what type of games you're playing. Usually I like to play without any grip tape. And they have some extra skates. As you can see, we have the skates right here on the top. We have to remove the film, and right here on the side. Really handy because they wear out from time to time, and it's nice to have a replacement without having to buy it. We have a USB Type A to USB Type C braided cable with quite a nice distance, to be honest. I think it's about 1.5 or 2 meters. It feels really good quality, so props to them for that. And we have the receiver, which obviously connects from your PC to this USB Type-C port right here with the cable. So I think it has 8000 Hertz pulling rate. That's why we need this receiver that looks like this. And then we have the mouse itself. As I showed you the back, we have the sensor in the middle. We have a DPI button right here, so you can switch the DPI, and we have a few modes. So we have 2.4 gigahertz and we have a Bluetooth mode. If you flip it to 2.4, obviously make sure that this and the cable are plugged into your device. And if we have a look on the top of the mouse, it has an ergonomic design. The clicks feel really good. The scroll wheel feels good as well. You can also click on it. You also have two side buttons right here. I think they have some really good switches because they actually feel good, and the mouse is super light. As I said, I think it's under 50 grams. And yeah, pretty much that's it. That's what you get. This is how the mouse looks. If you guys want to buy it, I will have a link in the video description down below. And as always, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.